Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to star an Excel file in the Dropbox mobile app using the latest updated steps. Whether you want to quickly find an important spreadsheet or keep your most used files within easy reach, starring files is a great way to stay organized on the go. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't opened it in a while, it might take a moment to load all your files and folders, so give it a second. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This section shows you all the documents and files stored in your Dropbox, so it's the perfect place to find the Excel file you want to star. Once you've found the Excel file, you'll notice 3 little dots right beside it. This is the options menu for that specific file. Tap those 3 dots to reveal a menu of different actions you can take on the file. Among these options, you'll see something labeled Star. Go ahead and tap Star. And just like that, your Excel file is now marked as important. Starring a file in Dropbox is a simple but powerful way to keep your workspace clutter-free and easily accessible. Once starred, these files show up in your starred list, helping you avoid endless scrolling when you need to open them again fast. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've learned how to star an Excel file in the Dropbox mobile app. This method works the same way whether you're using an Android or iOS device, so everyone can benefit from this handy feature. Thanks for following along.